So to demonstrate, I created a 3D apartments. I've used spatial mapping to place it in the scene on one of the surfaces. If we go and have a look, here's the 3D model. I've created an apartment with various pieces of furniture, apartment walls and floor, door, some picture frames, various pieces of furniture. So demonstrating a blue icon indicator, this will appear on all interactable objects in the scene. I'll demonstrate this on the refrigerator. You see when I have gaze focus on the refrigerator, there's a blue icon there to indicate that we have gaze focus and it's interactable. We lose gaze focus and we lose the blue icon. To demonstrate the yellow outline feature that appears on all interactable objects in the scene, they have gaze focus. You'll see here, if I gaze on the microwave, we get a yellow outline around the edge of the microwave. When it loses gaze focus, we lose the yellow outline. So interactable objects in the scene have a pop-up label when they have gaze focus. You can see here for the refrigerator, a red label pops up. When it loses focus, it loses the label. Same with the microwave, has gaze focus, label, loses focus, no label. This appears on most of the interactable objects in scene. Demonstrating the instruction label pop-up on gaze focus, you'll see here on the kettle, when we give gaze focus to the kettle, there's a blue label at the top, instruction label that says what's this object. The same with the picture for the Queen, when it has gaze focus, there's an instruction label that says who's this person. When it loses focus, the instruction label disappears. The instruction labels appear on all of the objects in the scene that have face recognition and object detection functionality. To demonstrate the on-gaze audio player in the scene, there's a radio here. You can see when it goes to gaze focus, it'll start playing some audio track. When it loses gaze focus, that audio track will stop. Demonstrate the gaze focus with video player. When I gaze on the TV, the video will start playing. When it loses video focus, the video will stop.
In blood, sweat and tears lie the answer.
The same functionality works with the computer screen. So here's an example of playing a warning animation with the air tap and hold gesture. You see we now have steam and the kettle sound and hot boiling water warning label pops up. And now to demonstrate the warning animation using air tap and hold, I'll use this on the pan. You see we have a powder effect, the splashing fat, the noise of splashing fat, and a warning saying hot splashing fat appears. I'll now show a functional warning using tap and hold. So I'll move back and then tap and hold gesture. I'm holding down the A button to simulate the air tap and hold, and we have the lady walking out of the door and the instructions to turn the door handle, pull the door open or push the door close. The command show time, as you can see, brings up a pop-up clock just showing the current time. Who's this person? As you can see, I'm testing facial recognition here, saying the phrase, who's this person? It sends a pre-taken screenshot of the image of Nelson Mandela that's in the photo to the facial recognition service. If the facial recognition service recognises the image, it sends back the name and it replaces the green text label with the name of the person that's in the photograph. The same functionality is implemented for photos of Neil Armstrong, Queen Elizabeth and Florence Nightingale. What's this object? As you can see, the phrase what's this object was used to do a voice trigger for the object detection service. What happens is a pre-taken screenshot of the kettle within the scene is sent to the object detection service. If the object detection service detects the kettle within that image, it sends back the name of the object it's detected, and it's replaces the blue instruction with the name of the object, which in this case, as you can see, is kettle. The same should work for the pan. What's this object? As you can see, it works there for the pan. The same functionality is implemented for the door and the television. So to demonstrate facial recognition with the ear tap gesture, facial recognition will work in the same way. It'll send a pre-taken screenshot of the clicked on photograph, the photograph that's tapped on, and it will call the face recognition service, which if it recognises the face of the photograph, will return the name of the person it recognises, and that person's name will appear in place of the green label. It will also play some audio telling a little audio track story about the person, and this same functionality is implemented on the photographs of Queen Elizabeth, Nelson Mandela and Neil Armstrong. So press the air tap.
Born
See,
on
very
May
quickly
12,
it came back
1820,
for its
Florence
night. I'll
Nightingale
play
is
the audio.
undoubtedly
Demonstrating object detection with air tap gesture. As you can see, I just clicked on the air tap button and the blue instruction text at the top will replace with name kettle. The object detection works in the same manner as described previously. The API is called and the text and the label is replaced with the object that's detected. In this case, kettle. I can do the same for pan. As you can see there, the words pan, and also for door. And then one more object with object detection, the scene,
So what does it mean to be
television.
proactive?
Demonstrate removing objects in the scene using the navigation gesture. You see there that I held down the navigation gesture, moved left and right, and it's removed the door from the scene.